Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to insert rows and columns in Excel to quickly organize your data and make room for new information without breaking your existing layout. First, insert a single row or column. The most common way to add space is by using the right-click menu on the headers. Right-click on the row number or the column letter where you want the new space to appear. Select Insert from the drop-down menu. Excel always inserts above the row you selected or to the left of the column you selected. For example, if you right-click column B and hit Insert, your new blank column becomes the new column B, and the old data shifts to column C. Next, insert multiple rows or columns at once. If you need to add 5 rows, you don't have to do it one by one. You can add them all in a single click. Click and drag to highlight the number of rows or columns you want to add. Right-click anywhere in the highlighted area and select Insert. Excel will look at how many rows you selected and insert that exact amount of blank space instantly. And that's all there is to it. To insert rows or columns in Excel, right-click the header and select Insert, or highlight multiple headers to add several at once. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.